Awesome. Well, welcome to the Sound from Picture room, where we're really excited to give you a visual and audio experience unlike any other with our latest 8K Master Series Z9G. But before we get to that, I want to call out some of the other products that we're going to utilize throughout the demonstration in the space. You're going to notice that in the front and back of the room on the floor, we have 4 NA2 floor standing speakers, as well as in the ceiling, we have 4 NA5 speakers. In each side of the room, we're featuring an NA9 subwoofer, and we have that connected to our 5000 ES receiver, and that's going to enable us to give you a Dolby Atmos experience at the end of the demonstration. We also feature 2 X700 4K players, and last but not least, we have a tablet that's going to be used as a visual cue. It's the Z9G. It boasts 4 front-facing speakers, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. This allows our acoustic multi-audio feature to really deliver an experience unlike any traditional TV. With acoustic multi-audio, the sound, the action, and the dialogue precisely align in the center of the TV to give you an immersive audio experience. Much like in a movie theater where the majority of the sound comes from behind the center of the screen, you're going to get that experience here in this space today. How we're going to do that is through our first demonstration, Hotel Transylvania 3. Before we begin the clip, I want you to know that we will be toggling between a traditional 2-speaker experience and then utilize our 4 speakers. What I want you to notice is how when we go to the 2 speakers, the sound seems to stay at the bottom of the TV. When we switch to the 4 speakers, you're drawn right to the middle of the screen and put right in the action. So let's join our characters on this fun flight.
Then you need a monster vacation.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Scrub it in. For your safety, please unbuckle your seatbelts. In a likely event, we experience a sudden drop in cabin pressure.
That would be lovely.
Why are we on a plane? We can fly, you know.
Everything. It's time for you to relax.
Okay, folks, we have started.
The movie. Now, we're also going to utilize a TV show to demonstrate how accurate the TV is when focusing discreetly on dialogue. So we're going to feature a clip from the TV show Blacklist, and what I want you to notice is much like when I'm standing here in the space and you can hear from where I'm standing all of the sound coming from here, I want you to notice how we're able to precisely locate the sound on the screen throughout this interrogation.
You look much less Baltimore. Do you get back home much?
Tell me about Zamani.
I haven't been home in a year.
Why involve me? I'm nobody. It's first day. Nothing special about me.
You're very special. Within the hour, Rocco Zamani will abduct the daughter of U.S. General Daniel Riker. There'll be some kind of diversion, communications will be scrambled, and he'll grab the girl. He wants to be out of the country within 36 hours. If you don't move quickly, she will die. That's what I know.
When utilizing acoustic multi-audio, it really centralized the experience, almost raising the tension in the room like the interrogation was going on right here. Now, I did promise you earlier that we were going to deliver a Dolby Atmos demonstration, and we're going to do that for you now. But the one thing I neglected to tell you at the beginning was I showcased all the speakers except for a center channel. Now, the Z9G also features a mode called center speaker mode. Now, whether you're using the TV by itself or you're integrating into an already existing home theater system, I can utilize this as a dedicated center channel for my home theater system. So we're now going to watch a clip from the movie Jumanji, which will be a Dolby Atmos experience, utilizing the speakers that I mentioned earlier and the Z9G as our center channel. What I want you to notice is how, again, you're drawn right into the middle of the action and enjoy.
Seaplane McDonough, reporting for duty. Let's go, people.
What's wrong? Something's broken!
What do you mean?
Video feature, we're able to deliver a more immersive experience. Now we're thankful that you joined us for this presentation. This concludes the demonstration. If you have any additional follow-up questions or would like to see the products a little more up close, if you make a left outside of the room, you'll find our creators intent area where we have experts that are willing to answer your questions.